Hey everyone! So today I have a super easy recipe for daikon fries, and I paired them up with an Asian aioli. For those of you guys who don't like your fries, maybe too starchy, daikon is going to be your perfect fix. It's just a little bit vegetal, kind of a little bit sweet, and it just has the most amazing crust on the outside. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. Okay, so to start off, I'm peeling up two kind of fairly small daikon radishes and I'm cutting them into 2-inch sticks. I would say that you want to keep these guys fairly thick. I mean, maybe even a little bit thicker than what I've just cut, just because it's going to give you a better mouth feel afterwards. So this is some really easy seasoning. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder along with 1.5 teaspoons of granulated onions and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just gonna toss that all together, and what the salt is going to do is draw out some of that moisture from the daikon radish because there is a lot. So I decided to actually put it into a colander, and then you want to just wait right around 30 minutes for this. If there is excess liquid, just dry it up with a paper towel and then just, kind of pat it on top. So rice flour is what is going to make these fries super crispy. I have around 1.5 cups of rice flour. It's just super simple. It'll help absorb any of the excess moisture while also creating that really crispy crust that you saw in the intro. So just toss that around and yeah, you're good to go. So heat up your oil to 350 degrees. Make sure that everything is nice and hot before you put your fries in. And this was on medium-high heat, and I fried these fries for right around 5 minutes. It took that long because the daikon, it just has so much water content in it, but towards the end of the 5 minutes it starts looking like this, nice and golden brown, and you can actually see the crispiness that has developed on the skins of that daikon thanks to the rice flour. I'm just gonna drain these guys on a wire rack because I find that the air actually helps keep these guys pretty crispy, because they get soggy quite quickly because of the water content. So make sure you're frying these guys fresh and you're eating them fresh. And then towards the end, I just generously sprinkle them with some salt. You can just see how crispy they are, and these guys just need a couple minutes of rest just to, have them not be so hot. So meanwhile, let's prepare that super easy Asian aioli. So I have right around 1/4 cup, maybe like 1/2 cup of vegan mayonnaise. If you guys have never had vegan mayonnaise before, it is probably like pound for pound, it just tastes like normal mayonnaise. So I found this one, it's called egg free, and so, right around 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of mayonnaise in each one. The first one is a garlic aioli. Super easy to make. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder goes into the aioli, and then you just whisk all of that together. It'll be one of the best sauces that you ever eat. So for the second sauce, I decided to make an Asian flavored aioli, and I was trying to figure out what to do with these twist sauces other than to pour them over, salad, because it is a salad dressing. So I decided to choose the Chinese style vinaigrette, and that is kind of your basic oriental salad dressing. It kind of tastes like a little bit of sesame oil, probably a little bit of sugar, a little bit of soy sauce. So all of that goes together. I stuck about 2 teaspoons of that in there, and it comes out with a really good sauce, just kind of a very general Asian aioli style taste. Oh my gosh, these fries are so addictive. You can top them off with anything that you want, parsley, rosemary, and if you could just see that crust, it's so crunchy, it's so crispy what that rice flour has done. And for those of you guys who are like, hey, can I try baking this? Trust me, I tried. Daikon does not lend itself very well to baking at all just because of the moisture content. So this is going to be the best way to prepare it. That aioli pairs so well with these fries. I love fries with aioli as opposed to ketchup. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you all again next time. Bye.